I'm Ben Jack.
We're Ocean Coast.
And today
we're at Holiday World, Holiday Nights in Indiana. 2 bars, Friday, today's Saturday.
Yeah, we already did Friday. Let's insert some footage here. Alright guys, so we just did the water park, surfing safari, splashing safari.
We did the ERT time on Cheetah Chase, and I was very upset. They threw 4 buckets of water on me.
For not 4.
4 buckets of water on me.
4 pails of water.
No, there were whole buckets. I was soaking wet, okay, and it's raining.
Yeah, that's the only reason I rode, because I was already wet. I mean,
it was fun. It's just too wet.
That's the point of a water ride, though, friend. You're supposed to, you know, get wet.
Not like that.
Not like that.
I'm trying to drown.
All right, you guys, we'll check back after we hit up some ERT on the coasters, because they are. So, how was it for you?
Oh my God! $20! You go with it.
It's the laterals for me. My thighs hurt.
The legend. Now, I love it when we ride around and our opinion on it changed. Mine did. In the dark with no trams. That was amazing.
Let me tell you something. That was not the same ride. The laterals were the last time we rode it, it felt like it was just jacked. I don't know if they did some maintenance. It was like you was just jackhammered the whole ride.
It was. This time, oh my God.
It was the laterals for me.
That was amazing in the dark.
I didn't know what was happening. You got to come here at the dark.
You have to do Holiday Nights. Because it changes the entire perspective of the park.
Yeah, I like this park.
I love this right now. And the last time we came, we were like, that's not a legend. Why are they calling it a legend? Right. That's amazing.
That's a legend.
That's a legend, baby. You got it.
Yep.
Slow, Sarah, how was the legend?
Oh my gosh, pass the punch.
All right, so like at the end, and like you're like, ah!
It's not
left.
It's like a, I don't know.
Lateral. Like, we actually,
it was the lateral.
It was the lateral.
So we split aisles. Thank God, because like my elbow would get in her face. Like,
yes.
And trust me, I have knocked her out before too. Hey, that's low.
Well, you guys, as you've seen yesterday, we did quite a bit of stuff. We rode water rides and all the roller coasters in
the dark.
And it was also hurricane lore. We rode roller coasters in a hurricane.
And it was amazing. It was really amazing. Those are some rare credits.
It was quite, I don't know who could say they rode a ride in a hurricane, but I guess the people that was here. Yeah, but we off to go get these snacks. Okay guys, so for our snack, they gave us loaded tater tots. And we got about 20 minutes for our walk back. Fred, what just happened?
We met Dylan.
Yes.
Awesome.
Shout out to Dylan.
Dylan, he thought he was recording and he wasn't. So sorry.
I'm sorry. It's been a hot, busy day. I'm just
we see you again, Dylan. We love you, Dylan.
And we definitely are about to get back in line for those Reese's.
Yeah.
Deep fried Reese's.
And while we're talking about that, hey, why don't you guys take it a second and like, subscribe, comment. It's free.
It is free, and actually, friend, you know, it's been proven by FICO that subscribing to Oshai Coaster actually boosts your credit score.
About 20 points every time.
Do it, it's free. Go ahead, tap in.
You too. Yeah, give us content, sweetie. Free.
Is that right?
This is my site of drop tower.
Y'all, it's so little, like.
That was cute.
See, you didn't die. Yeah. Woo! They are living a whole life, and I love it.
All right, guys. Hi. I'd like to formally apologize to all the viewers about what I said about Holiday World the first time we came. When we came, it was 150 degrees. Voyage wasn't working. We didn't go to the water park. I got a totally different experience than what I've gotten these last 2 days that I've been here. Totally, completely different experience. So now I love Holiday World.
How was it? Yeah, yes.
Amazing.
Oh, I love your mask, honey.
We love me.
Yes, that's the home
I
part.
like you guys are ready.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Love Millennium.
Yeah.
This woman set herself on fire. I said, are you guys ready to see this woman set herself on fire?
Yeah.
We're ready. All right, Mrs. Hot Stuff, whenever you're ready, go ahead and set yourself on fire and take that plunge from 33 feet.
Oh my God.
All right. All right. No, get down. Oh, perfect. Get down. Perfect. Here we go.
Wow.
All right, let's go.
Yeah.
I'm scared for her, friend.
I'm ready for her to. She just set herself on fire. She is amazing.
Okay. Oh, she like crucify me. Oh, a flip.
Right, it's time for night rides. Night rides with no trim.
Yeah, it's definitely no trims for me. Y'all have to definitely ride the Voyage with no trims.
There's no point in coming to this park unless it's
Holiday night.
Hollywood nights, because this is the greatest this park has to offer. All the rides are in the dark, no trim. It is amazing. Total disconnect from the first, second, and third visit we had here.
Hey. But what is connected is y'all subscribing.
It's free.
It's very much free. Go ahead and just, you know what, everybody just take 10 seconds and go ahead and subscribe.
Can you show them how beautiful this park is when it's empty?
Yo, this is everything for me.
It's so exclusive. It's so for us. It's so for Ocean. I mean, it's just amazing.
It is also, let us know in the comments if y'all want a mask. New merch available, maybe. Let us know. Let us know. All right, we're gonna go, I don't know what we about to do, but we gonna do something.
Shout out to Greg Russell for the mask. And
Okay, go ahead, Greg. Tap in. Who run the world?
girl!
Who run the world?
Girl!
Yes.
Okay, all girls.
Pretend you're flying
Then
to
ride on the voyage.
at his highest power.
Bye, guys. It's a lot of guys. Bye, guys. All girls, yes, yeah. Girls.
He won the world today.
Yeah, I feel like I'm not nearly as good looking as like a boxing girl, but I'm
Yeah. Turn it up. Yeah.
Hey. Friend, it's the illumination for me.
Shine bright like a diamond. Damn.
Forever. I am not cheating. No, I don't, y'all. It's all a lie. It was all a lie. Okay, but you don't care because you ain't winning, and I got 420 right now. Okay, and What was it?
well. Ask Nikki, she's the one that did blindfolded.
Amazing.
That's a new trend, y'all.
Yeah, that was
Ride it blindfold.
Trace dog. Yes.
Bro, you're a little pooch.
I'm a little fool.
A little pooch.
I'm sorry, something stateside had to do something better than the teddy bears on Untamed.
Literally. All right, guys. Well.
Hey!
Okay, so where are we? Holiday World, right. This is a wrap on Holiday Nights. It was amazing.
Is it? Voyage.
Yes.
Yes.
We did a Zen dog ride. It was amazing. Everything about Holiday Nights is amazing. Again, I apologize for what I said about Holiday World 2 months ago.
I second that. And from last year, I second that too. Highly recommend it. It was epic. But it's time to eat.
That's right.
Yes. 2 paws up, 2 paws down.